Mira. We're doing hyper-dilute radiesse. So radiesse is collagen stimulant, and hyper-dilute means we are mixing it with lidocaine and sterile water or saline, a little bit more than usual, and we use it. So that's what kind of how we diluting it. We use it on face, neck, décolleté to induce collagen. So when collagen is induced, your skin is better, is thicker, the fine lines looks better. So we're not just filling up the lines with this, we are doing it for more collagen stimulation. So collagen stimulation takes time, like 90 days to be precise, and it takes more than one session to see the good result. So today we are doing neckline or the whole neck area with hyper-diluted radiesse. All right.